M&M chocolates are instantly recognizable for their bright colors, smooth surface, and perfect shape. But behind this simple appearance is an extremely controlled factory process. The journey begins with cocoa beans, which are carefully roasted to develop flavor before being cracked into cocoa nibs and ground under heat and pressure to create smooth liquid chocolate. This chocolate is kept at a precise temperature and portioned into small round centers, each made to the same size and weight. These centers are cooled until they reach the exact firmness required, because even a small variation can cause rejection. Once approved, the chocolate centers enter large rotating drums where the iconic outer shell of M&M chocolates is built slowly, layer by layer. Thin sugar syrup is added while the drum rotates gently, allowing the coating to spread evenly across every piece, and warm air dries each layer before the next one is applied. This cycle repeats many times, gradually forming a strong shell that protects the chocolate inside and controls how it melts. Workers continuously adjust rotation speed, airflow, and drying time because human judgment is essential for maintaining consistency. After the shell is complete, cooling airlocks its structure in place, and the chocolates move to the coloring stage, where food-grade colors are applied gradually in separate batches to ensure accuracy. Each layer of color is dried and inspected under special lighting, and even the smallest shade difference leads to rejection. Once the color is approved, the iconic white M logo is printed with extreme precision on the curved surface of each moving M&M chocolate, a step that requires perfect timing and accuracy. The chocolates are then polished in rotating drums to create their signature glossy shine. Throughout the process, machines and workers sort, inspect, and remove any piece that does not meet strict standards for size, weight, color, or appearance. In the final stage, finished M&M chocolates are packaged into branded wrappers, sealed to preserve freshness, coated for tracking, and prepared for distribution. What starts as raw cocoa beans is transformed through repetition, precision, and control into one of the most recognizable chocolates in the world, where every single M&M chocolate looks, feels, and tastes exactly the same, not by accident, but by design.